Hello and welcome again to Redona Designs, and this is a continuation of the previous video, a series where I went in depth into showing you how you can design an enclosure, a sheet metal enclosure. So in this video we're just going to do a simple thing. We're going to extract the DXF files because now for sheet metal you need it in a flat pattern. So that's the pattern that we're going to make. So how to go about it? You first of all have to save our part, give it any name. In our case, this is sheet metal tutorial 1, and we go to save as and save it as a DXF. So save as type right here. We click on the drop down and then we go to DXF and then click on OK, save. So this dialog box is going to appear here, and if you go to the very bottom, you want to save these two because it's two files in one, two bodies rather. We want to save it as separate files, not the single file. So sometimes you might click on the save button and then you might wonder, why am I just getting one DXF? So this is what you should look at. So over here, entities to export, we want to make sure first of all the flat patterns are selected. That's for flat pattern 1. That's for the base, and then flat pattern 2, you can see it's highlighted. That's for the cover. And click on also the bend lines. So bend lines are important because the manufacturer is going to use this to now bend our part. So after that, just click on OK. And then the software is going to do its thing. So depending on how many parts there are or how complex, it's going to take some time. And there we have it. So we have this one for the base, the flat pattern for the base. You can see it. You can zoom in, and these dotted lines are the bend lines. This is where we're going to run our brake on. And these are the parts that are continuous. That's now the basic geometry. This is where it's going to be cut. So we can see that there are two of them. Click on the next button, and that's all there is to it. So we click on save, and these two parts are going to be saved onto our computer, and these two files are the ones that you can send to the manufacturer. So I think that's it. Let's wrap it up right there, and in the next video now I'm going to show you how to relay this bend information to the manufacturer using the drawing files. So join me in the next video, and remember to hit like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. See you in the next video. Till then, cheers.